What's going on, guys? Today we've got our quick and easy iOS to Android conversion video. Now I'm going to go through a few different alternatives to how you can transfer all your data from your iOS device to your Android device, and it is a very quick and easy process. And the first one we're going to go ahead and do is a quick three-step process from your iOS device to your Android one via Google Drive. Now, I have got an iOS device here and I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's very, very simple. Essentially, what you need to do first off is navigate over to the App Store, download Google Drive here, and you can see we've already got it installed. Open that up, sign into your Google Drive and transfer all your files over. Now that is very, very easy. All you have to do is add them on, upload your files and upload everything onto your Google Drive, and you can actually sync your phone to your Google Drive overall, and it'll bring everything from the device onto your Google Drive. And then all you simply have to do is log into your Android device. So I've got a Huawei P30 Pro here and I'm not currently logged in. However, all you would then have to do is download Google Drive onto your Android device and do the complete opposite and unsync it onto the device, and it will just literally plonk it from this straight onto the device. And that is essentially the Google Drive method. So I will show you how to do it really quick. All you do is you go to menu in the top left here, settings, and then you click backup, and you can back up everything on it. So you can back up your calendar, your contacts, photos and videos, and you can just click that start backup and it will sync it straight onto there. And then all you have to do is, when setting up this device here, is sign into the same Google account that you use on this Google Drive account, and it will sync all the items back onto this device. So a very, very simple three-step process. Download Google Drive, sync it on via that settings backup, and then log in on your Android device. So that's the first method. Alternatively, there is a slightly easier method, as I would say. However, it doesn't always get all of your items onto it. That easier method is within the actual setup process. So this is basically a brand new Huawei P30 Pro that has been not used yet. So all you do is, when setting up, you click onto UK, you click next, don't have a SIM card, and then you can simply click iPhone or iPad. Now the camera is playing up a little bit and not showing the screen perfectly well, but you can see here that it says you can import your data from this device from any of the following: Android, iPhone, Huawei or Google, and you would just click iPhone and just basically follow it through. And this is via what my next point is, the phone clone data there. So phone clone is essentially what you can use from any device such as Android, iPhone, and all you basically do is install phone clone and you allow it via Bluetooth, and it will receive the data on the new phone from the old phone and transfer everything over. It's very, very easy and very, very simple. As I said, this may not cover everything on your device, however, and there are extra ways of making sure you get everything over. Now, something you may worry about is perhaps you've bought a lot of music on iTunes, and how are you going to listen to that on your Android device? And there's not to worry there, because you can install iTunes off the Google Play Store and listen to all your songs there as well. And there's other problems like your calendar. You may have gone into the future and booked so much stuff in your calendar and you don't want to lose that information. And what you can do within Apple Calendar is allow Google to sync up to that calendar, and therefore when you set up your new device, all those dates will be synced directly straight away into your Google Calendar on your new Android device. So on both of these, it's literally a 5-minute process. It takes no longer than 5 minutes and anyone can do it. You simply have to follow the steps as setting up, or the steps that I've said on Google Drive, and it's very, very easy and very, very simple. It may take longer if you've got a lot of photos, however, it shouldn't take too long, and you can always connect it via USB into your computer and then over if you wanted to, and that does transfer it a little bit quicker than over the internet. But yeah, guys, that's essentially how you do it. It's very, very quick. I will leave a link to the 3-step process in the description below, and you can click there if you want to go through it step by step via that. Alternatively, go back to the start and pause it throughout the video and go at your own pace. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys very much for watching. I know it was short and concise, but hopefully that helps you set up your new Android device. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video.